Hi y'all, welcome to Majestic Unicorn Dreams. Majestic Misty right here. What we're going to be doing today is going to be unedited, so all flubs, blubs, and bloopers will remain in here, which I'm sure there'll be plenty. But we are going to open Birchbox and Boxycharm. We are going to compare. This really isn't a fair compare. This should really, Birchbox I should probably open up with Ipsy or Sephora Play. But it's just going to kind of show you, those of you who rave about Ipsy. Bleh. See? Those of you who rave about Birchbox and have not yet been enlightened by Boxycharm. From what I understand, it's a few dollars more. I don't pay for this box, so it's a few dollars more. But it's so much more amazing. The products in it are full size, first of all. You still get 5. So there really is no comparison, but we're going to see what we get in both of these. So, open up Birchbox. All I did was unwrap them and open them because we know I open up spastic. Okay, so Birchbox. We have our card that tells us what's in it, which I only read if I absolutely need to and I feel lost. Find your happy. After a whirlwind holiday season, carve out some me time with this box of beauty treats. Find your happy. Here's to finding your happy place in the new year, no matter where it takes you. That's an awesome saying. So, there's our Birchbox, little letter. And now we have a Rock 2018 ingredient list. So this is something from Dr. Brandt. So we have a Rock 2018, which I like that. And then it's Rock 2018. Rock and Roll Soul. That's what this one is about. So there's our Boxycharm. And of course on the back is the list of products. So our first thing that I'm going to just pull out is bubble wrap, because hello, this is from Birchbox, and hello, it's bubble wrap. Oh, love bubble wrap. Okay, this is the Beauty Crop, and I'm blind. Love You So Latte. Let's see if we can get it to where it'll focus on the colors. Let me open it up here. Take off the wrapper, because these are actually colors I actually will wear. So let's just pop it open for you. Like even popping these things open, I'm spastic. So these are actually really pretty colors. I really am liking this shade and, nope, this shade. Oh, look, see, I need to do my nails. This shade and this shade right here. I'll have to experiment with this more espresso-y color. So this is a sample, as you can see, very small. 3 colors, just to give you an idea of what you like. The Beauty Crop. Trio, the full size is $29.90. So there's a little sample size for you. Now the first thing I'm going to pull out of here is Glam Metallics by Crown. Glam Metallics by Crown. And this, it's an eyeshadow palette. Rock your look with Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eyes look a breeze. Take your look up a notch. Wet your eyeshadow brush before application. This will intensify the foiling effect on the shadows, resulting in a sultry, smoky glam that will make you want to rock the night away. Now, as you can see, the difference. Birchbox here, little full-size palette from Boxycharm. It's got a cute mirror. Now their thing is rock, so it's a guitar. And then here are their beautiful shades in Punk, Wild Thing, Black Metallic, Rock On, Rebel, Heavy Metal, The Wicked, Glam Rock, Pop Rock. I am actually loving these colors. Look at this copper. Look at this Rebel. OMG, we've got to swatch it. It says it's highly pigmented. Oh, look. Wow. That literally is just one finger. Another one I'll probably use is Wild Thing. Wow. Okay, and let's do the 3 that I'll probably rock on. So these are the 3 that I would probably use together. So we have Rock On, Rebel, and Wild Thing. Look how pigmented these are. I can't wait to play. Maybe one of these days I'll have to do a get ready with me, or I'll have to do like an actual, you know, makeup. Look at how I do my makeup. So loving, I'm going to make it. I don't know what to do with these 3 fingers now. Okay, next thing is from, I'll do Birchbox and then I'll do Boxycharm. So we have Air Repair, Complexion Boosting Moisturizer with Hyaluronic Acid. This is it right here, this little bottle. And if you get the full size, it's $23. But as you see, this is like a 1-use, 2-use maybe. And I will pull out from here, Luminizer Primer, Base Luminaire, Dr. Brandt, Pores No More. And as my fingers literally are, I mean, look at that, even there. We have it here, and then still left over there. Wow. Anyway, Dr. Brandt. See, this is the stuff I usually edit out as my just random rambling, but I'm not doing that tonight because I'm not doing that. So here we go with Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt. Pour. Okay, I wanted to tell you how much the Rock On. This Dr. Brandt is full size and is $38. Now you can see the difference right here. Full size. Sample size. Now I guess Birchbox is $10 and Boxycharm is $21. So for $11 more, you're getting actual full-size products to actually use long enough to see if you like it and really want to purchase it. That's what I like about Boxycharm. Boxycharm by far is my favorite makeup box subscription. So again, Birchbox, Boxycharm. And this is $38. The Glam Pro palette is $25. Okay, next we have Nelson Forever Smooth Cream with Heel Protection. I need to read this here because it's too small. Here it is right here, so we can kind of read it together. Forever Smooth Cream, see things straight with argan oil based cream that smooths and straightens strands. It's hair product. And I tell Birchbox I do not want hair products, but here we have one. For effortless sleek finish, apply in sections and towel dry. Hair product. Again, you fill out a profile. I say no hair products. But yet I get 1 to 2 in every Birchbox. Alright, next thing up would be something by Pure, Bronze and Brighten. Now I am still using something that they gave by Jessica Lieberman. I think it's by Jessica Lieberman. And it is their vintage highlighter. I'm still using it. I love it so. Whoa! Alright, so here's the Pure Bronze and Brighten. Alright, and here is our shades. Look at this middle one here. Nope, right here. Wow, I am loving it. Let me get a clean finger. And let's see. Oh, this is going to highlight so pretty. Look, and it's so pigmented, you don't need a whole lot. Look at that. Wow, you don't need, and look at my finger, just, and that was just one little rub. Pure, I like some of their products. Some of the products from here are hit and miss. But this, I am liking, like my whole hand. My whole hand is now highlighted. If I didn't already wash my face, I'd put it on my face. Okay, so again, full size. Now the Nelson hair from Birchbox is $25, while the full size palette, cheek brighten and bronzing palette, is $34. So again, you're seeing the difference. And here's a great example. Okay, by Girl Attack Beauty Matte Lip Paint. Okay, this retails for $23. Okay, and then I have from Stila, $22. Full size is $22. Liquid lipstick. Boxycharm, Birchbox. This is just enough to get you to see if you like it, but this is a full-size product. So let's see. We're gonna just rub it on the back of our fingers. This is a pretty fall wintry color. It is the color of Demure. I'm glad they put that up in big letters. And Stila is in the shade of a purpley color, which I wear a lot of purpley colors. Oh Lord, I don't know what color it is. No idea, I can't see it, it's so small. But here are the two shades. This is the Stila, right here, upside down of course. And this is Demure Girl Attack Beauty on this finger, right here. See, I can't ever find myself in the camera. So there we go. And again, here's a perfect example of Birchbox Boxycharm. $11 more. And our last product in Birchbox is Bioderm Pore Refiner. Full size is $19.99. Combats shine, minimizes appearance of pores. So here we have this. And as you can see, we have followed a kind of pattern here. Whoop, boop, boop. Kind of a pattern. Your hair is the biggest product in here. You look at this palette compared to the metallic palette. And our last thing in the Boxycharm is by It. It's a brow powder, universal brow pencil. It says universal taupe, which works. So it's by It. Brow power, not powder. You know, I can read occasionally. Universal, and then it's universal taupe, it says. There we go. I like how this camera, and then here we go. So what's on one side you have your spoolie, the only kind of brush that I actually know what it's called and what you use it for. And then here's our universal taupe, which is actually gonna work. So there we go. I don't want to, universal taupe right here. And again, it is a full size. You're not getting just this little itty bitty piece like that, you know, like this, and hope you can get both brows done with that little piece. Which is what, I honestly say, Birchbox, Ipsy, and Sephora do that. They give you this little itty bitty piece that, like, this is a two-use thing on these giant lips of mine. This, if I like it, I'll get a lot of use out of it. So the brow cosmetics is $24. So for $11 more than Boxycharm, no, $11 more than Birchbox, you get 5 full-size palettes, Dr. Brandt's Luminizer Primer, Girl Attack, this color, which looks like it smudges, and then It Brow Power cosmetic. And I am never, ever dissatisfied with Boxycharm. Ever. Now see, got a hair product. Goes right in the giveaway box because I don't use it. Got a little sample of Love Latte. Love You So Latte. And there it is. But let's test out these colors just so you can kind of see the difference. I'll put it next to one of the Glams. This is the Love Latte color, and these are the metallics. So not quite as pigmented. I can already tell that just by this one little swatchety swatch. But I'll still use it because I happen to enjoy colors like this. We have the Stila, no idea what color this is. Maybe it says it right here. Will it focus? Is it upside down? Can I see it? Oh, Note. Naughty? Noddle? Nothi? Maybe it focused enough for y'all to see it, but I still couldn't see it. But that's this shade right here. It's kind of this purpley color, which is pretty. I'll use it, but like I said, I already put away the hair product. Here's your Boxycharm stuff that I will try and use. No, dang it. Birchbox, Birchbox, Birchbox. See, all sample sizes. Boxycharm, full-size palettes, full-size cosmetics, full-size illuminizer, full-size lips. You can never go wrong with Boxycharm. If you're going to get only one, and you do Sephora, and you do Ipsy, and you do Birchbox, I would say, and you can really, you know, that's $30. I would say cancel 2 of them, the ones you like the least, and get Boxycharm. Because Boxycharm really does, I have to say, rock. It rocks. And I pay for Birchbox, and as soon as my subscription, I paid for the year in advance. I gotta take a drink. I'm having my first coffee of the day. And I honestly have to say, if I didn't pay for the year in advance, I would have canceled it already. So as soon as the year is up, Birchbox, I'm sorry, you are gone. And I hope Boxycharm just keeps showing up at my doorstep because I do so love you. And it comes wrapped like, it came wrapped like this. So nothing breaks if it's possible. And if it breaks, it's usually in bubble wrap so it doesn't break. And if it does break, you just call them and they send you something new. I mean, it's Boxycharm, let me tell ya, is the box. Is the box. So there's my comparison, opening them at the same time. Maybe I'll do the same thing with Ipsy and Sephora when they come this month. That way it's more of a fair comparison, because this really wasn't a fair comparison because I knew Boxycharm was going to blow Birchbox out of the water. But in fairness, Ipsy and Sephora also blow Birchbox out of the water. I enjoy Ipsy, I enjoy Sephora, but if I had to give up everything that I pay for Ipsy, I pay for Birchbox, and I pay for Sephora. If I had to give them all up and pay for the box that I don't pay for, that just shows up, this is one that I would subscribe to. So that's my review of the Birchbox of January 2018. Birchbox. And, oh gosh. See, these are all the things I cut out. So this is, really, it's stuck. So I will say Find Your Happy is my favorite part of Birchbox. So we have Birchbox and we have Boxycharm. So we're gonna find our happy and rock it in 2018. So I hope you guys have had a great time. I always love making these videos for you. You know what to do. Those 3 little things. Thumbs up, comment, and smash that subscribe button. I will see you next time. Love you all. Bye-bye.